Welcome to this video, guys. I have IDM installed, but if I go to extensions here in my Chrome and click on manage extensions, I do not see IDM. But if I type IDM on my Windows, as you can see, I have IDM available, but it is not shown here. So how to fix this? First, go to this URL. Now this is what integrates our IDM software with Google Chrome. This is not the extension itself. This is just an integration module that helps to integrate our IDM with Chrome. Now you cannot search for this Google Web Store or Chrome Web Store because this is not available or this is hidden. So you have to directly enter this link. I'll have this link in the description below. You can copy and paste it from there or just click there and click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. And now, as you can see, it shows Internet Download Manager extension for Google Chrome has been installed. Now you can close this too. And here now you can see IDM integration module has been installed, and now you can use IDM in your Chrome. So if I go to a browser here and try to right click on a file, you will see this option that says download with IDM. Click on it, and now as you can see, IDM window has popped up, and from here you can start the download, and the download is already complete. So this is how you can integrate IDM with Google Chrome. Make sure you do not search for IDM in Chrome Web Store because it is hidden and everything that you will see is fake. So you have to go to this URL manually and then install this extension which will integrate IDM with Google Chrome. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.